Hello, my dear friend. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. I'm Ravindra Gupta. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about how to make page setup in AutoCAD. So let's start with the existing drawing. Here you can see given drawing, and I'm going to make a page setup in layout. So for that, I'm going to click on layout. This is called model space. This is called model layout, and this is layout where you want to get print, right? So first one is model and layout. So I'm going, this is already given existing layout. Now I am going to make another layout through insert. Here you can see layout. Through new you can make a new layout. From template you already existing template you can use, but here I am creating through wizard. So wizard, I am choosing wizard. Here you can see one by one step you can choose. First one is begin. You can start with layout name. So here you can write A3. Next, the printer, you have to choose the printer, what type of printer you want to choose. Here I am going to make a PDF of DWG, so I am choosing DWG to PDF. Next, I am choosing paper size. So paper size, here ISO A3 420 by 297. This is X axis is 420 and Y axis is 297 mm. Next one is come to orientation. So I am choosing landscape because my drawing is little bit landscape position. So I am choosing landscape. Now next one is title block. For title block, this is already given architectural, and this is kind of template. So you can choose this architectural type, right? So next one is define viewport. So I'm choosing a single viewport with scale fitted. Next one is pick selection. This is I want to use as a default. And then next one is finish. So here you can see automatically it comes our drawing in layout portion. But before that I am going to delete this layout, and you can see this is already comes through our wizard through already existing template. Here you can see general notes, numbers, revision, issues, date, and form name, address, project name and address, project date, scale, and so this is already given in by default. So first of all, what I need to do, make it in a complete template. So let's do the scale command. Select this, click any point, take R, first point, and then set. So you can see this is complete in layout. So again I am going to plot. So plot, you don't have to do anything, just come to layout section. Here you can choose extend, and here fit to page, center the plot, and the drawing type, color, whether you want to choose color. For color you have to choose ACAD, or if you want to choose monochrome for single color. So I am going to choose monochrome. Now there is nothing need to change, direct you come to apply to layout, and you can see our layout is completely okay. Now I am going to again layout. Now after this you can choose your model, come to model view. So I am going to MV, type MV. So MV I am choosing here, and take a space where you want to get your drawing. So this is how it comes in layout. Now then you can see again control P command and see the drawing here. You can see this is complete drawing in layout. So this is how we can make a page setup in A3 layout. So another form of layout that also you can take if you want to choose more than four views, so you can choose MV again and go to the in any specific point before that MV and select 4. Here you can see 4, so I am choosing here 4 and select the space. You can see 4 views here. So in any specific view, if you want to work, so you can click here and see any specific room or any door schedule or any kind of thing you want to see, so you can choose accordingly and keep it stay. Once you lock your viewport, then it will be completely stay stable at that particular view. So here you can choose your viewport. You can display lock yes. If you want to choose yes, you want to lock, then there is nothing you can do inside here. But in this, as this is not locked, so you can change here whatever you want to do. Same here, you can change here also. So come to page space again. If you want to lock all these, so you can choose this also and right click and go to lock. Yes, now this is completely locked, so you can't do anything, you can't change any in this drawing. So I hope you like this video, so please like share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.